Hello, last class আমি straight line study কৰিছিলো so last class আমি কিছুমান types of equation of a straight lines পঢ়া হৈছিলে so first আমাৰ কি আছিলে if we are given the slope of the line and any fixed point we are given then the equation of the line will be y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught, where m is the slope of the line which is given and x naught y naught is the particular point or the fixed point which we are given. Then we can find the equation of the line which is in the form point slope form. That means a slope is given and the point is given. So this is the required equation. Second আমি study কৰিছিলো আমাক যদি দুটা point দিয়া থাকে, say we have any line and if we are given two particular points, two fixed points, so the first fixed point is x1 y1 এটা point দিয়া আছে আৰু another point x2 y2 দিয়া আছে. So then we can find the equation of this line if we are given two points by using this formula y minus y naught divided by x minus x naught equal to y2 minus y naught divided by x2 minus x1. So এই formulas বিলাক তোমাক already last class proof কৰোৱা হৈছে, just আমি এতিয়া revision দি দিছো. Third form is your slope intercept form. Forms if you are given the intercept তোমাক কোৱা হৈছিলে কি হয়, so ধৰি লোৱা y intercept b লোৱা হৈছে and slope তোমাৰ m লোৱা হৈছে, then equation of the straight line will be y equal to mx plus b, where b is your y intercept. Similarly, if you have your slope as m, slope of the line is m, say this is your line L, the slope of the line is say m and you are given the x intercept means distance of the line at which it cuts the x-axis, from the origin. This is called your x-intercept. Then the formula will be y equal to m into x minus a. Clear? Next to my intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a is your x-intercept, b is your y-intercept. After that, it is your normal form. What is your normal form? X cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p, where omega is the angle made by the perpendicular. Say this is your line L, this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis, your origin, this is your line L. ठीक है, say this is the perpendicular OA is the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line L, then omega is the angle made by the perpendicular. Omega is the angle made by the perpendicular from the with respect to positive x-axis. Angle made by the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line with respect to positive x-axis. ठीक है, and what is p? P is the distance of the perpendicular or length or distance of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line. So this is a normal form. Now using this forms of equations, we will solve the questions of our exercise 10.2. Say this is we take the question number 10. Yeah, we have to find the equation of the line passing through the point. So say this is our line, we consider any line and according to the question this line passes through the point where passes through the point where minus 3,5. Equation of the line that passes through the point minus 3,5. I mean, exactly this is minus 3,5 is not exact position, but we are just considering it the point as minus 3,5. Second, also the line is perpendicular to the line. This line, we have to find the equation of this line. This line is perpendicular this line is perpendicular to the line belag eta line logot perpendicular say this is a line which is passing through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. 2, 5 minus 3, 6. This is our perpendicular line. Now we have to find the equation of this line L. Which passes through the point minus 3, 5. Now we have our first form, point slope form. তোমাৰ তাত কি দিয়া থাকিব লাগিব এটা পইণ্ট দিয়া থাকিব লাগিব আৰু স্লোপ দিয়া থাকিব লাগিব ঠিক আছে আৰু এই কুৱেশ্যনটোত ইন দিস কুৱেশ্যন আমাৰ পইণ্ট দিয়া আছে given point or the point is given minus 3, 5 but we do not know the slope of this line L. That means we have to find it. But here we are given this line L is perpendicular to this line. We consider this, name it as LS, which passes through these 2 points. Now jehetu a line L, these 2 lines are perpendicular, so the product of the slope we know that slope of 2 perpendicular lines, product of the slope of 2 perpendicular lines is minus 1. If m1 and m2, if the line 1 and line 2 are perpendicular, then the product of the slope line 1 and the product of the slope line 2 is minus 1. যেহেতু L আৰু L dash তোমাৰ perpendicular তাহাঁতৰ slope গিটা product কৰিলে কিবা minus 1 পাব আৰু আমি এই line L dash or slope to আমি find কৰিব পাৰিম we can find the slope of the line L dash. Why? Because we know if we are given 2 points we can find the slope of a line আমি আগতে পাই আহিছিলো if we are given 2 points then we can find the slope of the line by the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the slope of the line. It passes through 2 points. So we can find the slope of the line ML dash. After knowing ML dash, we can find the slope of ML. Clear? So first and foremost, do one thing. We find the slope of the line which passes through the points. This. So slope of the line that passes through 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Say I am dhori loisu a slope. Consider the name the slope as m dash. Name the slope as m dash equal to formula mate ki asle y2 minus y1. What is your y2? 6 minus 5 divided by x2 minus 7 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6. Okay, so this is the slope of this line. Minus 1 by 6 is the slope of this perpendicular line. According to the equation, the above line, this line, the above line that passes through 2, 5 and minus 3, 6 is perpendicular to the line. Perpendicular to the line, this line passing through minus 3, 5. Therefore the product of the slopes equal to minus 1. আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ এই লাইনডালৰ শ্লোপ we consider slope of this line is m. Let the slope of the line passing through minus 3,5 is m. Then কি হ'ব আমাৰ m into এই লাইনডালৰ শ্লোপ আমি কি লৈছিলোঁ এই লাইনডালৰ শ্লোপ আমি m dash লৈছোঁ m dash equal to কি হ'ব -1 we do not know m we know m dash আমি কি পাইছোঁ -1/6 m is unknown -1 by m dash so তোমাৰ -1/6 কৰিলে তোমাৰ m তোমাৰ কি হ'ব 6 so what is the slope of this line 6 so required equation of the line therefore required equation of the line passing through -3,5 passing through -3,5 with slope kiman pala m equal to 6 is what is our formula y minus y not point slope from y minus 5 equal to m 6x minus of -3 minus of -3 is plus so solving this we get 6x minus y equal to -5 minus 18 23 18 23 so this is your required equation of the line so sorry guys yet the calculation mistake হৈ গ'ল yet -3 it will be -5 so yet tomar 6 jagat 5 hobo here also in place of 6 we will have 5 so calculation will be this 5x minus 5 equal to -20 so here we come to the next question this is question number 13 from your textbook page number 220 NCERT mathematics textbook next here tomar ki koise find the equation of the line we have to find the equation of the line that passing through the point 2,2 say this is your x-axis y-axis x-axis y-axis x-axis this is your origin you have to find the equation of that line that passes through the point 2,2 say this is your point 2,2 just আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ 2,2 any arbitrary position 2,2 বুলি and তোমাক কি কৈছে cutting of intercepts on the x-axis cutting of intercepts this is your x-intercept this is your y-intercept whose sum is 9 that means x-intercept plus y-intercept is equal to 9 and cutting of intercepts means the line cuts the intercepts makes intercepts whose sum is 9 intercepts plural form tamane x-intercept plus y-intercept equal to tomar ki hobo 9 so we dhori loisu let small a and small b be d x-intercept and y-intercept respectively then according to the equation x-intercept plus y-intercept equal to tomar ki koise 9 also we know equation of a line in key form intercept dia ase to ami intercept form consider korim equation of a line in intercept form equation of a line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1 now what we do In place of b we can write 9 minus a. In place of b we can write 9 minus a equal to 1. By 1. Now take cross multiplication. 9 minus a x into 9 minus a. No, do one thing. Before that, do one thing. Also given, we have got the equation of this line. Also given the equation, this equation passes through the point what? 2, 2. This equation passes through the point 2, 2. Means this line passes through the point 2, 2. And we have got the equation of this line. Equation of this line is what? This x by a plus y by 9 minus a. Or a line dale tomar 2, 2 point pass kore. So I x value 2 or y value 2 put kore dio pare. Also since to number 2 dia, the line, also since the line 2 passes through the point 2, 2, passes through the point, also the line, since the line passes to the point 2, 2, therefore in place of x we write 2 divided by a plus 2 divided by 9 minus a equal to 1. Clear? Now it is very easy to solve. Number 2 common 2 1 by a plus 1 by 9 minus a equal to 1. এতিয়া LCM লৈ লওঁ আমি a into 9 minus a, and this 2 is product. What we do, we take 1 by 2, 9 minus a LCM লৈছো plus a, then numerator minus a plus you can say, then আমি cross multiply কৰিম 9 into 2, numerator only 9 will be left, 9 into 2 18 থাকিব, আৰু তুমি এটা cross multiply কৰিছো, লগতে product কৰি দিছো 9a minus a square, 9a minus a square. So আমি minus common ললে আমাৰ a square minus 9a হ'ব equal to plus 18 equal to 0. We are taking this to your left hand side, a square minus 9a plus 18. এতিয়া midterm factorization 6 3 is 18 আৰু তোমাৰ 6 plus 3 9, a square minus 6a minus 3a plus 18 equal to 0. Midterm factorization, then তোমাৰ 6 common আহিব, first তোমাৰ a common আহিব, a minus 6 থাকিব, next তোমাৰ 3 common আহিব, minus 3 minus 3 common আহিলে a minus 6 থাকিব equal to 0. Then you will have it left with a minus 6, a minus 3 equal to 0. So what we can say, either a minus 6 equal to 0 or a minus 3 equal to 0. So we will have either a equal to 6 or a equal to 3. If a equal to 6, then our b equal be 9 minus a, 9 minus a 6 hobo, and or tomorrow b equal to 9 minus a, 9 minus 3 tomorrow, therefore b equal to 6 hobo. So you are in the question, you are asked to find the equation of the line. So therefore required equation of the line, two equation of the line will have. Therefore required equations of the line. Of the line 2 is, এটা কাম কৰো, এই লাইন ডাল আমি 2 নাম দিলো. We are naming this line as 2. ठीक है सर. Therefore required equation of the line 2 is case 1. Why case 1? Because we have different pairs. We have two different pairs. Case 1 when a equal to 6 and b equal to 3. Then x by 6 plus y by 3 equal to 1. You can keep it as it is in this way, or you can take LCM and simplify. 6y equal to 6 3 is 18. And case 2 when a equal to 3 and b equal to 6. Then what is the equation? X by 3 plus y by 6 equal to 1. 6x plus 3y equal to 8. So these are the two required equations of the straight lines which passes through the point 2, 2 and has sum of the intercepts is equal to 9. Okay, this is our question number 13. So my question number 12 is also same. So I am giving you the hints of question number 12. Do it by yourself. What it is said. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Means the line passes through the point what? 2, 3. The line passes through the point 2, 3. And what it is given? Equal intercepts on the axis. That means if we take our x-intercept as a and y-intercept as b, then according to the equation x-intercept equal to y-intercept, that means a equal to b. So what will be your equation of the line? In x-intercept form, x equal by a, y by b equal to 1, and in place of b we will write a. Also the line passes to the point 2, 3. Then as this above procedure, do this question. This is very easy. So it is question number 14 discuss koro. Yat tumar ki koise find the equation of the line that passing through the point 0, 2. Okay, just dhori loisu. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. This is our origin. To find the equation of the line that passes through the point 0, 2. 0, 2 will call it to point. This is your point 0, 2. X-axis 0, y-axis to 0, 2. And making an angle 2 pi by 3 with a positive x-axis. So the line passes through the point 0, 2 and this line makes an angle 2 pi by 3. So this is your line L. We are naming it as L. Also the line makes an angle what? 2 pi by 3 with respect to kiman koise tomar positive x-axis. So say this is your angle. Kar logot boli koise tomar positive x-axis er logot. So line dal jodi enakwa hoy, so tomar ei angle to this angle 2 pi by 3 will be 2 pi by 3 with respect to positive x-axis. 2 pi by 3 with respect to positive x-axis. ठीक है सर. आपको next tomorrow. So you have to find the equation of this line. So if we know the inclination of the line, so what is this? This angle is called the inclination. That means this is a theta. This is a theta is actually the angle made by the line with respect to positive x-axis. So here theta is what? 2 pi by 3. So you can find the slope of the line. So write like this: given the line makes an angle 2 pi by 3 with respect to positive, this is a positive x-axis, positive x-axis. Therefore slope of the line say m will dhori loisu equal to amar ki hobo tan of theta 2 pi by 3, tan of 2 pi by 3. So using trigonometric concepts, you can write 2 pi by 3 as pi minus pi by 3. pi minus pi by 3 এটা তোমার pi minus 180 degree minus pi by 3 so this is your second quadrant is 180 degree minus pi by 3 180 minus pi by 3 180 पर আমি minus কৰিছো so তোমাৰ second quadrant থাকিব second quadrant এটা তোমাৰ tan কি হয় নেগেটিভ হয় ASTC sin আৰু cosec পজিটিভ second quadrant আৰু তোমাৰ tan নেগেটিভ হয় so তোমাৰ মাইনাস হ'ব আৰু pi আছে pi থাকিলে তোমাৰ trigonometric function change নহয় so tan তোমাৰ tan হৈ থাকিব because it is your pi and তোমাৰ কি আছে pi minus pi by 3 this is your second quadrant তোমাৰ tan কি হয় নেগেটিভ হয় মানে মাইনাস হ'ল আৰু তোমাৰ tan pi by 3 pi by 3 মানে তোমাৰ কিমান ডিগ্ৰী আছিল 60 ডিগ্ৰী tan 60 ডিগ্ৰী তোমাৰ ভ্যালু √3 আৰু তোমাৰ মাইনাস আছে এখানে তোমাৰ minus √3 tan 60 degree is your √3 and your minus 3 √3 so আকৌ এবাৰ কৈ দিছো তোমাৰ pi আছে pi থাকিলে তোমাৰ trigonometric function tan হৈ থাকিব pi minus আৰু থিটা তোমাৰ কি আছে acute angle তোমাৰ আছে pi by 3 so তোমাৰ pi by 3 হৈ গ'ল pi minus pi by 3 তোমাৰ second quadrant হোৱাৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ minus আৰু value minus √3 so slope কি পালা therefore slope of the line তোমালোকে পালা m equal to minus √3 পাই গলো এতিয়া আমাক কি কৈছে we have to find the equation of the line আমি slope of the line জানো আৰু and the point also জানো the particular point জানো at through which the line passes therefore required equation of the line with slope m equal to minus √3 and passing through the point 0,2 is y minus y naught তোমাৰ 2 হয় m মানে তোমাৰ minus 3 x minus 0 so অলপমান simplify কৰি দিওঁ y minus 2 minus 3 into x minus √3 x তাৰপিছত left hand side লৈ আনিছোঁ √3 x plus y minus 2 take it to your right hand side so this is the equation of this line L √3x plus y equal to 2 is the equation of the line L next তোমাক কি কৈছে next part চোৱা also find প্ৰথম part হৈ গ'ল also find the equation of the line we have to also find the equation of the line it is parallel to it also find the equation of the line parallel to it মানে কি it মানে এই প্ৰথম line also find the equation of that line which is parallel to it means your this first line means you have to find the equation of the line parallel to it and crossing the y axis a line parallel line dale code cross কৰে তোমাৰ y axis crossing the y axis this is your y axis at a distance 2 units কিমান units 2 units at cross কৰে below the origin বুলি ক'লে ইয়াত হ'ব so you have to find that equation of the line so we are extending our x axis in this way because I have to find that equation of the line so this is our line অলপমান parallel নহ'ল আৰু make it parallel say this is your line we have to find this equation of the line which is parallel to the first and is parallel to the first line মোৰ ডায়াগ্ৰামত parallel নাই হোৱা but make it parallel ঠিক আছে and তোমাক কি কৈছে parallel to it হৈ গ'ল parallel and crossing the y axis at cross কৰিলে crossing the this is your y axis crossing the y axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin above the origin কোৱালে আমি এটা কিলো below the origin কৈছে কাৰণ originৰ তললৈ আহিছো 2 units তাৰমানে distance তোমাৰ কি হৈছে 2 now if this is crossing the y axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin so what will be the coordinates of this point will be what coordinate of the point will be x axis তোমাৰ 0 আছে আৰু তোমাৰ y coordinate তোমাৰ 2 আছে but below the origin, so point will be what? 0 minus 2. So coordinate of this point is what? 0 minus 2. ठीक है sir, you have to find the equation of this parallel line. You have to find the equation of this parallel line. Now we name this line as L dash. ठीक है sir, name the line as L dash. Now since the two lines are parallel, আমি পঢ়িছিলোঁ slope of two parallel lines are equal. Slope of two parallel lines are equal. So since L and L dash are parallel, so slope of line L dash will also be same. Slope of two parallel lines are equal, so slope of the line L dash will also be minus root 3 because they are parallel. আৰু তোমাৰ পইণ্টটো আমি পাই গ'লোঁ, পইণ্ট আমাৰ কি হৈছে 0, minus 2. So we can find the equation of the line by using the formula point slope from this is your point and the slope is the same because they are parallel. ঠিক আছে, so আমি অলপ সজাই মেলি লিখিব লাগিব. So we write here, given the line, the second line, you can write the second line is according to the equation, the second line is, second line say নাম দিলো আমি, say L dash, বুলি নাম দিলো, is parallel to the first line. Therefore their slopes are equal. Since slope of two parallel, this is parallel line, are equal. Since slope of two parallel lines are equal, therefore the slopes are equal. So slope of L dash, say M, slope of L dash আমি ধৰি লৈছোঁ M dash বুলি ধৰা, আগৰ শ্লোপটো আমি M বুলি ধৰিছিলোঁ, M dash ধৰা, M dash equal to কি হ'ব? M হ'ব, M, that is M dash equal to, M is the slope of this first line, minus root 3. So we have got the slope of the second line L dash. Next, according to the question also given, the second line crosses the y-axis. Given the second line crosses the y-axis. Also the second line or the line L dash भी नाम दिलो, crosses the y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. Therefore the line L dash passes through the point, passes or cuts the x-axis, y-axis, passes through the point 0, minus 2. 0, minus 2 কেনেকৈ পালো বুজাই দিছোঁ, because below the origin আছে minus 2. Therefore required equation of the line with slope to একে পাইছা, slope M dash equal to minus root 3 and passing through 0, minus 2 is y naught minus 2 minus root 3 x minus 0, y plus 2, take it to right hand side, equal to 0, y root 3x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is a required equation of the which line? This parallel line. slopes are same because they are parallel, and passes to the point 0, minus 2. Because this is an important question, try again by yourself. So your homeworks are question number 20, page number 220, and example 11, page number 218, page number 218. So these two are homework. Try to submit by tomorrow. কিবা ডাউট থাকিলে মেছেজ কৰিবা গ্ৰুপত। আৰু এটা হোমৱৰ্ক দিয়া হৈছে তোমাৰ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 11, কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ তোমাৰ 12, কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 12 হোমৱৰ্ক দিয়া হৈছিলে। চ' কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 12 ইজ অলছ' ইয়'ৰ হোমৱৰ্ক। ঠিক আছে, ডু ইট। থেংক ইউ।